You call it GG.
Hey guys, it's Marcus. Back at it again with my cousin and sibling, where they, because I'm the host, compete in different board games. Now, in the title it says part 1 because we haven't gotten any time for the extra games in the villa. So we'll be continuing this during winter. Don't ask questions. Here's the setup of the tourney. Now, this doesn't look like somewhat of a tourney because, it's the same people for different games. But the winner gets decided when they win most challenges. So basically, whoever gets more points mechanic. Kinda lame, but I don't know what else to call this other than board game battles and tournament. To be fair, board game battles look, sound, and just better than tournament, but still went with it. I don't know why. Algorithm.
Open Sesame.
Dito yung spectator.
Hindi, dapat isa lang.
Nakakita ko na to. Bro! Okay. Ay! White yung nag-break ko. White. Bro! I watched this in TikTok, but TikTok it was very satisfying. Ano? Bro, you are sneaky. Blue? Ay, white. Ay. Ano yan? Block.
Yung white.
Hindi. Block yan. Oo nga, block yan. Ayun o. Nasa ganun pa, di ba? Block.
Blue.
Kata na. Okay na ba? I hope I pick white. What? A white? Why, bro?
Blue. No.
Oh!
Oh my!
I'm even. Okay, I'm still a beginner because I didn't have chess back home. You know what I'm saying, bro? Bro, I haven't played this game for a long time now. Huh? Dito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Ano dapat?
Ah!
No.
Ah. Ganun ba?
Yung
Dapat 3 tapos 1 dito.
ano, kung paganto daw. Skill it.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Just wait.
Pagka nandoon yung chat ko sa iyo, ang Android,
Nagka.
Android ni Daddy,
Sa akin.
hindi yung Android ni Daddy.
Sige, so, yan ang iwan ko nga. May loading yan, ha? May load tsaka data. Ang tawag, ha?
Ite-text ko sa iyo kapag
Ang dalawa ng control. Nabalik ka rin dyan, ha?
Wait, text mo na lang.
Checkmate. Checkmate ba?
Ha?
Checkmate. 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 Ha?
Paano?
Checkmate na ba to?
Oh,
Checkmate na. Ano?
pero pwede pa makaalis yung king.
Ah? Sige. Go.
Paano yung checkmate?
Kahit ano. Kahit anong anin mo. Go. Wait, saan ito nakalagay? Dito?
Oo.
Sure? Hindi dapat tinanong naman ito.
Ay, nandito.
Ay, dyan ba? Sige. Why?
I'm dead.
You are.
Pwede.
Huh?
Pwede.
Hindi pwede. Di ba pag dito? Pwede ba yun? Tanong sila. Lala. Wait, talin ba natin to? Pag ano po? Ano po? Di ba? King. Queen. Dito po yung...
Yok.
Ano po? Kahit pa-sign.
Kahit aside,
Tulog na.
Oh,
I'm just feeding.
Nakamove ka na oh. Yo, what are you?
Bro, I'm gonna lose now. What do I do?
I know.
You have queen.
did you call it GG?
What?
GG.
Bro. Bro,
2-1.
I have... Huh?
2-1.
I haven't played this game since like 3 months, 4 months, I don't know, 4